All right. Hey, everybody. Welcome to the Global Search Group 16.9 kickoff recording. We'll quickly go through some of the stuff we have planned for this iteration and then go over some maintenance and bugs as well. So first on deck, wanted to kind of pre-announce that we've got the Zook self-managed alpha program prep work going on this milestone. So pretty soon you'll see more communication from the search team on how your customers can get enrolled in that. But we are doing some groundwork to be able to support or better support customers coming on the self-managed Zook in an alpha capacity. So we'll be kind of, we're starting off with supporting Helm charts first, is where our focus is going to be, but we'll continue to add support as time goes on. But be on the lookout for some communication from me in the near future, about how we can get customers enrolled in that. And then I'll pass it off to John quickly, John Mason, for some Zook code search updates.
Thanks, Ben. Yeah, so the major update for Zook right now is the implementing of sharding and pull-based task architecture. Right now, what we have is a push base for scheduling tasks for a Zook node to perform indexing. But in the future, as we scale out, we want to change that to being more of a pull logic. And that will help us scale significantly easier. And we're really excited to see this as we roll it out. I'll give it back to you, Ben. Thank you.
Thanks, John. On the UI front, we have one nice kind of quality of life feature that we hope benefits really everybody is preloading the user's autocomplete menu. So you probably are aware that when you create issues and comment on issues, if you add someone, it can take quite a long time for the list of users to load before you can actually start autocompleting someone's name. We've made some changes to optimistically load that API endpoint so that you should be able to or we will be making changes to optimistically load the endpoint so that autocomplete will complete pretty much instantly. So hopefully that benefits everybody. It's kind of a search adjacent feature, but Dimitri on our side was really interested in getting that one pushed out. So we finally got that almost ready to go. Next, we'll continue working on the command palette enhancements we've been making to improve the search initial experience. So the first changes are kind of making it better so that search results do come back when you're typing just even 1 to 3 characters. Right now, it's only 3 before you start seeing results. So we'll improve that a little bit. And then showing a submenu in the footer of the command palette that identifies how you can use the different prefix commands that exist. So, you can use a greater than symbol to search for commands to create, a new issue, things like that. And then on the advanced search front, we're making it so that you'll be able to search for code-like text in merge requests, comments, and epics. That's something we hadn't had indexed or analyzed appropriately before. So we made some changes to that code so that you'll be able to search for things like code snippets and comments or merge requests. And then we've added new fields to projects as indexed. So basically we're improving the fidelity of the data in projects that have been indexed already into Elasticsearch. And then Terry, did you want to briefly talk quickly about the stretch goal here, just in case, so I don't say anything incorrectly?
Yeah, sure. So we're currently testing a feature flag that was put into the system during 16.8 or 16.7. And if that feature flag testing goes well, we can add a migration to work on getting all projects indexed, not all of the associated data, but just the projects indexed. I added it as a stretch goal because I wanted to make sure we got all of our testing done first.
Perfect. Awesome. Then I will hand it off to CZ for maintenance and bugs.
Yeah, for the maintenance work, I'll have Terry to talk about our error budget enhancement first.
Right. So we looked at the error budget, the reason why we were out of our error budget in some areas, and found an issue that I think Dimitri already opened a merge request for the errors that were happening from Sidekick jobs. But the second piece of the error budget issue was related to our indexing SLIs. So we'd like to do some research to see if there's a different way we can measure the indexing SLI to help us more correctly look at like the way things are working and whether indexing is healthy or not. So we will be doing that investigation during this milestone so that we can schedule some additional work in a future milestone.
Thank you, Terry. Other than the error budget work, we also plan to making changes to the sharding configuration for our VT index. We hope the change will further improve the wiki search performance. We are also planning some bug fixes. There could be some overflow bug fixes from 16.8 release. We'll continue to address those overflows in 16.9. On top of that, we also plan to work on two issues. One is related to the label filters on the issue search. The other is about not showing the branch name for non-code content search. That's all for maintenance and bug fixes.
Awesome. Thanks, everybody. That's it for Global Search 16.9 Kickoff. We'll see you all next time.